Hello everyone, Dr. Luke here. So something I really found amazing about nature and biology and trees in general is those little guys, and I mean little guys, right? Those beautiful pine trees. They're actually breathing in carbon dioxide, right? And they're fixing that carbon dioxide, the carbon from that carbon dioxide, they're fixing it into glucose. And that's what you learn in biology classes. You make glucose with photosynthesis. It's utilizing the energy of the sun to fix that energy, the photon energy, in bonds between carbon molecules, carbon atoms, and hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms, fixing it in a glucose molecule. That molecule is then built up into cellulose, which is just a bunch of glucose together, and it makes a beautiful tree, right? The really crazy thing about biology is then you and I, we go around and eat stuff. And what we do is we break those bonds and we get the energy from it. And when we break those bonds, we separate the different carbon atoms from each other in those glucose molecules that we eat. And when we do so, we get all of that carbon expelled in our breath, right? So you have one piece of a circle here. Then when we breathe out carbon atoms, those trees are breathing them in and fixing them. So that tree that's next to my house, definitely some of my atoms are in there. That's pretty insane. Now you want to hear something even more insane. Those trees, when they take the carbon dioxide in to make glucose, they have a byproduct, something that of a waste they don't use. It's oxygen. And we breathe in oxygen because we need it in respiration. You learn that if you take a biology class, you need it, oxygen, to accept electrons at the end of the whole respiration shebang. More importantly, since you need those oxygen, they become part of you. So what's happening is the oxygen atoms become water in your body. That's how we make it accept electrons. We just fix it with some hydrogen ions and it makes water. So I'm literally breathing in oxygen that big guy, or female, I mean they're actually both, expelled out as a waste, and I'm fixing that as water in my body. And we can look it up, we know that water is actually fixed in our body. So I'm getting wider weight from that guy, and I'm giving him my weight by breathing out. Because yes, another really crazy thing about biology, I think, is that you lose weight by breathing. You lose weight by breathing it out. Most of your weight is lost by the carbon atoms that you break apart on that glucose molecule. That's your weight loss. A little bonus question for you all. Why is it that breathing faster doesn't make you lose more weight? That's something cool that you can maybe take one biology class or two to learn about, right? But yeah, here you go. Fun fact. Trees make oxygen for us to breathe, make us gain weight make us gain water weight. We breathe carbon dioxide out, losing weight, and that makes those guys gain weight. So this is me, and I'm HEAT.